Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going big with our hair. We're going to do this sexy blowout style, very retro, very chic. And we're going to teach you how to do it from beginning to end. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. We're going to start off with some very dirty hair of mine. I've been wearing this bun all week. Take it in, very dry. And we're going to first go in with a hair mask. This hair mask is mostly just like a protein treatment. It's not going to make your hair particularly soft, but it is going to make it strong for the coming week. So get that to your edges and lather that in really well. You want to leave it in for about 45 minutes, if not all night long. That would be for best results. And you're going to want to rinse this out really well. It's kind of stinky, so you do not want that in your hair when you're going in for your blow dry. And after your hair reverts back to its curly pattern, you're going to begin your shampoo. I like to dilute my shampoo about 50% water just so it can get all the way to the roots because you don't want any of that product still in your hair. So when we're detangling, we're going to always start from the ends of our hair and gently comb until we get all the way up to the roots of our hair. This will ensure that you're not losing so much hair. And no matter what hair texture you have, it should never hurt to detangle your hair if you're starting from the ends and working your way up. And always try to use running water. It'll help you with your detangling process. And then we're going to want to section our hair into 4 to 6 sections. I use 6 because my hair is pretty thick. I use a leave-in conditioner as well as a heat protectant. And this is by far the most important part of our entire process, the blow dry. Make sure that's detangled really well and go in and really take your time with each of these sections. You want it to be completely dry at the roots all the way to the tips. And by the end of your blow dry, it should be moving pretty nice, pretty shiny, and absolutely no tangles as you're going through with your wide tooth comb. Now we're going to get into the curl. We're not going to silk our hair because we're going for a really big voluminous look. So we're just going to go right into the curl and we're going to hit those roots first, just a couple of times, just to make sure they lay pretty flat. And then you're going to go right into the curl and look at that. Perfect curl. Celebrate. Very good. Now every curl is not going to be perfect, so for example this one, after you're done with the curl, it kind of is just bent and kind of flat. You're not going to keep recurling. You're going to do this. You're going to spiral it with your finger, hit it one more time, and then you're going to just hold it just like this until it cools down. This will ensure you're not curling and curling the same parts, because if you've ever been a teenager with a flat iron before, you know if you keep curling the same piece of hair over and over, it's just going to be dead. And that is very good right there. That'll work out perfectly. All right, I know your arms are tired, but we're halfway done. Let's keep going, girl. Okay, I know this looks really funny right now, but I promise it's gonna look perfect once you're done getting ready. So you're gonna put a little bit of oil in your hair, like seriously, such a tiny amount. Like watch how little. Like just a little, yep. And you're just gonna scrunch it in. And then you're gonna put your bonnet on as you're getting dressed and you're putting on your makeup. I love to lay my edges. I mean, you don't have to, but I think it really complements the look. And also, you can go hard on the sideburns too. We are going for a retro look, so do it up. And once you're done, you're going to finger comb your hair, and look at that. Big, flip it, eye-catching. They're going to love, you're going to get so many compliments on your hair. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my page. Bye.